To kind of have some mentors throughout the years. Teresa Bright has always been my most favorite vocalist of all time, and if you don't know her, check her out. She's worth a Google, Teresa Bright. And also John Osorio. I mean, I have so many, but John Osorio, he was a kumu over at UH Manoa, and I also encourage, you know, furthering your education. You want to get a degree, awesome. If you don't, that's fine, but UH Manoa has a lot of great programs there, especially in Hawaiian studies, and I was blessed to be a haumana of his. He's a very well-read author and writer, but he wrote this song. I mean, writer of literature as opposed to music, but he, you know, he's great. He's a writer in both worlds. But he wrote this song called Hawaiian Eyes that I just always loved. You know, growing up in the 80s, that song was always on the airwaves. It still is to this day, and I believe that he won a Nahoku Hanohana Award for Song of the Year for this song. And as I used to kind of like jump into music and learn new chords or learn new chord structures, this song always was fun to jam. And I always believed that the mana'o of this song was if you could see the aloha in yourself and share it with others and recognize their aloha too, then this world would be an entirely better place. So with that, here's a song called Hawaiian Eyes.
Sometimes in the light, visions of a golden eye sparkle in my sight. Haunted by those graceful years, we were young and life was sharp and clear. Can you see me now? Hawaiian eyes, can you see me lost in paradise? There are so many ways to go and so many things to know, but I miss you inside. Hawaiian eyes. Shouting in the mountains, silent by the stream, all around had each other's lost in secret dreams. Now we're free and drifting on, but memories of you hover still and strong. Can you see me now? Hawaiian eyes, can you see me lost in paradise? There are so many ways to go and so many things to know, but I miss you inside. Hawaiian eyes. Thanks for singing along. I hear you. Can you see me now? Hawaiian eyes, can you see me paradise? There are so many ways to go and so many things to know, but I miss you inside. Hawaiian eyes. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, Hawaiian eyes. Ooh, Hawaiian eyes. Ooh, Hawaiian eyes. Ooh, hey, I got your Hawaiian eyes. Hey, hey, I got your Hawaiian eyes. Yeah, I got your Hawaiian eyes. Yeah, I got your Hawaiian eyes. Hey, ooh. Your Hawaiian eyes right here, baby. Still.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to Mailani. Mailani here at the Book and Music Festival, the 9th annual Mailani.